Good morning, children. How are you? Children, in our last class, we started the new chapter more on internet. Isn't it, children? What is a network? Network is the interconnection of computers, and when you have a very large network, then it is called as the internet. Now, if you want to get connected to the internet, what are the things required? So that is called as the requirements for internet connections. Now, what are the different requirements we should have so that we get connected to the internet? Children, we first of all we should have a multimedia computer, a computer which will support a different audio, video, and in photos. So that computer is called as the multimedia computer. First thing is we should have a multimedia computer. It can be your smartphone also, children, because even in your smartphones you can see the different videos, isn't it? You can take the photos. That is also accepted. Next, we should have an internet service provider. So what we should have a modem and a web browser. Telephone line is optional, children, because in olden days, like when computer was invented, internet was invented. So that time we used to get the internet connection with the help of telephone line. That network we used to call it as the wired network. Now since we are using wireless network, telephone line is optional, children. If you don't have telephone lines also, you can get connected to the internet. Now let us see what are these terms. So what is a modem? What is a modem, children? Modem stands for modulator and demodulator. So this modem is one of the device. You can see the photo here. It is called as the modem. This modem used to get connected. We used to connect this to the telephone line. So what is the function of this modem? It used to accept the data from the telephone line and transfer the data to the digital form. Okay, so that's why the name has been given as modulator. And again, the data from the digital form has to get transferred back to the original form, that is called as demodulating. So the name is given as modulator and demodulator. So what is this modem? Modem is one of the hardware device. The function of modulator is modem is to modulate and demodulate the signals. Next, you have internet service provider. What is internet service provider? So these are the companies, okay? They are the companies which will give you access to the internet. They will give you access to the internet. Now we will say, I'm using Jio network, I'm using BSNL network. So what is this Jio network and what is this BSNL network? So they are the service providers. They are providing us the internet service. So these are the companies which will provide us the services so that we can get connected to the internet. So we have different internet service providers, children. You know it very well, isn't it? Next, what is a web browser? It is very, very important. Even though you have a multimedia computer and you have the internet connection, we can't use internet directly, isn't it, children? To use internet, what is the very first step we will do? After switching on the computer, we'll use Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. So that is one of the software which will make us to get connected to the computer. By making use of that software, we are surfing the internet. So that software is called as the web browser. So web browser will allow us to get connected to the computer. Okay, it communicates with the web servers and display the web pages. The web browser will, we can't communicate directly with the internet, children. We need some intermediate software. That intermediate software is called as the web browser. Now what are the different web browsers we have? We have Google Chrome, we have Opera Mini, then Safari, Internet Explorer. All these are the different web browsers. You can download them easily from the internet, children. Okay, so these are the requirements for the internet connection. Next, let us see what are the different terms related to the internet. We learn these two terms today. Okay, World Wide Web. www, a very important question. What is the expansion of www? It is World Wide Web. Children, what is this World Wide Web? This World Wide Web is one of the part of the internet. Okay, it will have the internet connected. Okay, web will be having the large number of websites. Okay, it will be having the large number of websites connected. It will be in the form of a spider web. You have all have seen the spider webs in our home now. How the web is formed by connecting. So in way all the websites are connected with the help of the World Wide Web. Then you have a website. What is this website, children? This website contains a lot of information about any organization in the form of a web page. Children, suppose if you want to know something about our school, online if you want to search about school, what you will do? You will visit our school website, isn't it? So that is called as the website. To visit a school website, we should be knowing its name, isn't it? We should know the name of the school. What is the name of the website? So each website will be identified by a unique name. Now suppose, children, if I want to identify you, I should identify you with the help of a name itself, isn't it? I'll call out your name, then you will understand that ma'am is calling to me. So name is used for identifying you. In the same way, websites will be identified by the website name. That name we call it as the website address. So the website address are called as URL. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. Again, a very important question. What is URL? Uniform Resource Locator. Locator. It will help us to locate any website. Okay. This URL will help us to locate any website. So website contains the information in the form of what? It can be in the form of a text. It can be in the form of an image. So that is called as the web page. Okay. Now we'll see what is a web page. So if you visit any website, the page, it will be in the form of a web page only, children. So the web page contains information in the form of text, pictures, videos, audios and animations. Children, rest of the terms we will see it in the next class, children. We'll learn rest of the terms in the next class along with the examples. Till that, do revise whatever the things we have done in today's class and in the previous class. Take care of yourself. Thank you.